2026 Volvo XC60. Starting at $49 Highs. Updated exterior styling, improved infotainment speeds and image quality, first-class cabin materials and finishes. Lows. Showing its age despite mild refresh, average size cargo hold, rough road impacts make it through into the cabin. Verdict. Packaged with unmistakable Scandinavian style, the XC60 offers a tasteful alternative in the hotly contested compact luxury SUV segment. Overview. An elder statesman of the compact luxury SUV segment, the 2026 Volvo XC60 leans heavily on its Scandinavian heritage to present an understated yet dignified option in this crowded and highly competitive segment. All the modern Volvo styling bits play their parts, including the requisite Thor's hammer headlamps accompanied by a new 2026 front grille that echoes the diagonal motif of the XC90's fascia. The Nordic design continues inside with ample and accommodating front seats and a 5-passenger cabin crafted with materials that favor quality over ostentation. The turbocharged 2.0-liter engine pairs with an integral starter generator for a total of 247 horsepower. While it's not the quickest SUV in the segment, it never feels woefully underpowered, and the reasonably direct steering response and adequate grip make for pleasant motoring. That said, it lacks the performance-focused and athletic demeanor of rivals such as the Porsche Macan and BMW X3. Infotainment upgrades for 2026 bring acclaimed faster operating system, adding to the XC60's balanced appeal as a worthy and unique option in the segment. What's new for 2026? The 2026 XC60 features a larger grille sporting a new diagonal pattern highlighting the Volvo logo, while the tail lamps receive a subtle darkening of the tail light shroud. New wheel options are on the menu, as are a trio of paint colors including Forest Lake, Aurora Silver, and Mulberry Red. Infotainment benefits from a new 11.2-inch touchscreen, which replaces the XC60's outgoing 9.0-inch unit. Volvo claims better image quality and faster operating speeds too. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2026 Volvo XC60 is expected to start around $49 and go up to $60 depending on the trim and options. Core. $49,000, Est. Recommended. Plus. $53,000, Est. Ultra. $59,000, Est. Ultra Black Edition. $60,000, Est. Our pick of the lineup is the mid-range plus trim. Price-wise, it's a short step up from the base core trim, and it includes 19-inch wheels. The core has 18s, a 360-degree camera system, front and rear parking sensors, and adaptive cruise control with lane keeping assist. We expect official pricing closer to its yet unannounced on-sale date in the States. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Volvo XC60 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that utilizes a 48-volt hybrid system, together good for 247 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque. Power is funneled to an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. The XC60 corners precisely and the chassis feels well planted, but it's not as overtly sporty as the BMW X3 or Audi Q5, especially in their respective AMG and S performance variants. Despite this focus on comfort over edgy dynamics, impacts from harsher road imperfections can find their way into the cabin. Confidence is the key word here, not aggression. We expect that the T8 plug-in hybrid model with up to 455 horsepower will again be available. We'll review it separately. 0-60 mph times. Volvo claims a 0-60 time of 6.9 seconds for the standard B5 Turbo 4 powertrain and a 4.5 second time for the plug-in hybrid T8 model, which we review separately. The last time we tested a T8, C/D test drivers managed to shave a few tenths from its claimed time, clocking a 4.2-second run to 60 miles per hour and hitting the quarter-mile mark in 12.6 seconds at 111 miles per hour. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates that the XC60 should deliver 22 mpg city and 28 mpg highway. We'll update this story with our real-world numbers when we test an XC60 with the B5 powertrain on our 75 miles per hour, 200-mile highway fuel economy route. For more information about the XC60's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. With interior styling and rich materials that mirror more expensive Volvos, the XC60 is like having your kladkaka and eating it, too. The quiet, comfortable cabin also provides adult-sized accommodations in both rows. Clean lines and high-quality materials add a distinctly Scandinavian flavor to the XC60's cabin, standard issue for a modern Volvo. Decent cargo hauling capability puts the XC60 mid-pack among its rivals in our testing. With its rear seats folded, we fit 20 of our carry-on suitcases. Interior cubby storage is limited, though, and the sole cargo area bin is among the smallest we've measured. Infotainment and connectivity. Starting with the 2026 model year, all XC60 models come with a new 11.2-inch touchscreen which replaces the XC60's outgoing 9.0-inch unit. Volvo claims the new screen's pixel density is 21% better than the outgoing screen and that its operating speeds are up to twice as fast as the previous unit thanks to the integration of Qualcomm's updated Snapdragon cockpit software. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, as is Bluetooth connectivity and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot powered by a 4G LTE data connection. Safety and driver assistance features. Volvo's commitment to safety is evident in the XC60, with driver assistance features such as automated emergency braking and lane keeping assist standard across the range. For more information about the XC60's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode, warranty and maintenance coverage. Relative to its rivals in the segment, the XC60 has an appealing warranty policy. 3 years of scheduled maintenance is a convenience that Volvo buyers won't need to pay for, either. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Hybrid components are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.